everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Clickbait, a brand new show on cybersecurity brought to you by IT Voice. I am Avishka Thadani, presenting the show to keep you informed about the latest threats and trends in cybersecurity, helping you stay secure online. So buckle up, get curious, and let's clickbait together the safe way. The Telecom Cybersecurity Rules 2024 have come into effect under the Telecommunications Act 2023, replacing outdated regulations. These rules mandate telecom companies to strengthen cybersecurity framework, enhance risk management, and report security breaches within 6 hours. Each telecom entity must appoint a chief telecommunication officer, an Indian citizen responsible for listing with the government. Now, the rules also require regular cybersecurity audits and the establishment of security operations centers to detect and mitigate threats in real time. While the rules enhance accountability and resilience, concerns may remain over broad definitions of security incident, potential privacy risk, and high compliance costs to similar operators. Now, experts argued for clearer procedural safeguards and alignment with global standards to ensure both security and user privacy. The global rise in cyber threats has intensified the need for cybersecurity professionals, with a projected shortage of 1.5 million experts by 2025. The 2017 WannaCry ransomware attack, which affected over 2 lakh computers worldwide, exposed vulnerabilities in digital infrastructure, making cybersecurity a top priority for businesses and governments. With an estimated 75.44 billion connected devices in 2025, the risk of cyber attacks has increased exponentially. Reports indicate that nearly 500 billion cyber attacks were blocked in Q1 of 2023 alone. In India, the growing number of cyber threats has left many job openings in cybersecurity unfulfilled. As global cybercrime damage is expected to reach $10.5 trillion by 2025, to bridge this skill gap, IIT Kanpur offers a 6-month advanced certification in cybersecurity and cyber defense, providing hands-on industry experience and training. India is facing an alarming rise in cyber threats, with projections suggesting nearly 1 trillion cyber attacks annually by 2033. A report titled The Invisible Hand, released by Prahar, highlights the urgent need for a large-scale cybersecurity framework. Cybersecurity experts categorize threats in 2 types: traditional hacking for financial gain and manipulative cyber attacks that exploit citizens for illegal activities. Illegal betting apps are among the platforms which are being used to lure individuals into cybercriminal networks. Experts stress the need for community awareness and legal enforcement to prevent such exploitation. The report indicates that over 500 million cyber attacks were blocked by Q1 2024, reflecting an increased threat landscape. Former IPS officer Muktesh Chandar warns of state-sponsored cyber activities targeting India's economy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged citizens to follow the stop, think and take action approach to safeguard against digital frauds, emphasizing public awareness as a critical defense against cyber threats. The Telecom Cybersecurity Rules 2024 enforce the Department of Telecommunication mandate that telecom entities report cybersecurity incident to the government within 6 hours of detection. Additionally, they must provide a detailed incident report within 24 hours outlining affected system, user impact, and remedial actions. These regulations, which replace the 2017 rules on mobile devices tampering, require all telecom entities to adopt cybersecurity policies and conduct periodic audits. The rules also necessitate a chief telecommunication security officer based in India and development of a digital compliance portal. However, experts argue that the short reporting deadlines do not meet global standards, making compliance difficult. Additionally, the broad term "any other data" in the rules raises privacy concern regarding data collection and potential surveillance. While the rules aim to strengthen telecom security, industry leaders call for parliamentary discussion to refine regulation and ensure a balanced approach to cybersecurity and privacy protection. Last but not the least, a week-long basic cybersecurity training and certification program was inaugurated at the National Power Training Institute Corporate Office. The initiative, aimed at enhancing cybersecurity awareness in the power sector, was inaugurated by G.A.K. Tripathi, advisor and scientist at the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Dr. Tripta Thakur, director of NPTI, highlighting the program's focus on cyber risk management, attack modes, network security, and best practices. Participants, primarily from MNRI, will receive hands-on training in NPTI Cybersecurity Lab, learning to tackle cyber threats like malware, phishing, and ransomware. A.K. Tripathi stressed the importance of securing renewable energy plants against cyber threats, warning that breaches in power sector security could lead to major disruption. Thanks for joining us on Clickbait. We have covered some critical cybersecurity news today. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's build a strong cybersecurity community together. Like and subscribe to our channel if you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.